Hi guys, Dances with Owls here. How you guys doing? It's a great day. Today we're gonna do the bar. Yes, the bar scene up in Dubois, Wyoming. I would like to thank a lot of people that helped us out. First of all, I'd like to thank Daniel. Daniel, thank you so much. He's a bar owner. He's the bar owner of the Outlaw Bar in Dubois, Wyoming. I had a great time. Thank you so much. The rest of the people I'd like to thank is Cheyenne, Tiffany, Cody, Tony, and Tanya. Yes, you guys made our experience awesome. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, please like this video. And if you'd like to make any comments, I would love to hear them. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so we can give you some better content. Now we're going to get straight to the video, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Hi. All right. Hey guys, if you're here, we are live from Dubois. If you're French, it's ein deux, which is two, which would be two boys. We'll get into that later. Anyway, we're live from Dubois, Wyoming. We can have fun. Anyway, so tonight we are going to introduce, long time coming, we are going to introduce the guy that named our famous cow.
Yes.
Yeah. How you guys doing? This is Elmer. Hi. The guy that named me is here today. He's over there. He's like looking at me going, son of but it's okay. We're live here at Dubois, and we're gonna have some fun. So, without further ado, here we go. Hey! Yeah, I'm talking to you. What's your name?
I'm Lex.
Alright, that's Lex. Okay, if you guys remember, we had a naming contest about, how long ago? January, February?
Something like that.
Yeah, January or February. Well, this was the winner. He got $20 and... What else did you get? Anything?
I don't think so.
Well, he got me leaving work, so that's a
That's
bonus.
true.
Yeah, okay, so anyway, he's the one that named me. So thank you guys Thank you, Lex.
You're welcome, Elmer.
Anyway, he's the one that named me, so I want to let you guys know that this is way cool, and I got the name from... He's like my daddy. Moo.
Nope.
Hi, Daddy. He's my daddy. He named me. My mom ran away, and it's only Lex. Lex is my father. Luke, I'm your father. Anyway, guys.
You're gonna be steak.
Yeah.
I got the steak sauce.
Everybody says that it's not gonna happen. Give out a good shout out to Lex here for naming me. He named me. Yes, you are my daddy. Okay, this is what we did. On the way up there, we found a name. Okay, how do you think the town got the name?
An episode of Drunk History.
We'll be alright.
So we're gonna start
We're gonna tell a folk tell
It's so
story.
fucking true.
The folk tell story behind him and the Lincoln brothers or whatnot. That's gonna become
Yeah,
a thing
Lincoln and
because of him. That story's
Lander.
gonna become
Okay, so we go
Lincoln
to Lander. Okay, here it is. We go to Lander, okay? Here's the story about Lander. We go to Lander. So, how do you think the town got the name? Oh, I don't know. Says, well, my name's Lander, and I'm going to take over this town. And some guy came and shot him in the back of the head. Well, him and Lincoln were friends. Okay, so now you got Lincoln and Lander. They had two kids.
You gotta tell me how you came up with Lincoln.
I don't remember.
A card pulls in front of us, and it's got Land of Lincoln.
Oh, yeah,
license
Land of
plate.
Lincoln.
And he's like,
Yeah.
where's that from? I'm like, Illinois, Land of Lincoln.
Lincoln.
Yeah,
Hey, yo. Okay.
Oh
So,
my God.
So,
seriously just
Lincoln
ask
and Lander
what
were
the land
friends.
of
They
Lincoln
both got
was?
shot in the head, right? There you go. Okay, and they had
Did
two
you guys
kids.
drive past
They
the
had two kids.
Lincoln Rock
They
Memorial?
came out here and
Not
started
here.
two boys.
So you guys,
Two
okay.
boys
I've been
of Lander and Lincoln.
So that's what we
There-
drove
that was
past
the
on the
story
way up
today.
here was that giant.
Another one.
It could have happened that way. We don't know.
Different time periods.
Lincoln was out here. Maybe
Different time
not.
periods.
How do you know?
Because I
Lander-
read you when Lander was founded.
When?
And completely different
When
time.
was it founded?
1890.
Okay. Lincoln was dead by then. But, okay,
Pretty sure Lincoln
Lander was old by then,
died.
and Lander was probably born back in Washington and knew Lincoln.
65. But he was murdered by John Wilkes Booth in 1864. 64.
But see,
Yeah.
Landon was
So I
back
was-
there,
so-
okay, and stayed at the White House with Lincoln. They knew each other.
You guys want to know something really
Was
cool?
it in the Lincoln bedroom though?
You guys wanna
It
know
might have
something?
been Lincoln and Landon
They
building a
don't.
tree. K-I-S-S-I. So Landon was very young, had a child at a very young age. And then, so they would not find out about their illegitimate children, about the prostitutes. They sent them.
So,
and they
one night,
started
what is there Shane?
two boys, French. There's a French guy. And it was like,
I came into work
I-
one night.
two
Flipped
See,
over.
two boys. See? And they started two boys, and that's how this town got started.
See?
Two boys.
Drunk history.
Facts based on bullshit.
Yeah. I got good news at work.
We'll be right back.
There you are. I didn't think it was security cameras on me. And I got some great moves, guys. Did you see those moves? Did you see those? Man, that will go down in history for the best move. This should go viral.
I saw
He
him
calls it a
firsthand.
dance.
Yes.
The doctor will call it a
If you look
seizure.
closely, you just
You know, I go up to the bar, I'm getting another drink, and Cheyenne and Cody and Breeze are sitting there. And
Okay,
I'm
so
talking
who-
How does she's only been here an hour? How does she know
Okay.
everybody's name? What the fuck is going on here?
That's what I-
What you do, this is how you start it. You go, we're gonna do the fork in the garbage disposal. Then you go, ding 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 ding. That is the fork in the garbage. We gotta get everybody in the bar to do this. This is awesome. We're bringing it back, boys. We're bringing it back.
Before you drink the kamikaze, you have to hear the drunk history on kamikaze.
Oh gosh, I have to tell
Drunk
them again.
history.
I warned you.
I have to tell them again.
You
All
have to hear
right.
this, and that's Cody.
Okay.
Okay, Cheyenne.
Hello, thank you
Cody,
guys.
Yep.
Breeze.
Thank you. Much.
Okay, here's the story on the kamikaze. I hope I do not offend.
It's okay.
Back when the emperor was still
I'm
running.
already feeling
Yeah, I know. Trust me. You might want to call 911 and be taken away from that. Okay. Back when the emperor
Ouch.
was running Japan, and all those ladies, the Japanese ladies, from those big kimonos,
The emperor
the
girls.
big things, okay, all their husbands would get really horny. And they could, my God, it's taking too long. They take their little saber and go, kamikaze, kamikaze, I'm in, yes, kamikaze. That's how it started, okay? And then the Japanese were like, well, hell, this is like being back home. Let's just take the airplane and go dive bomb. Kamikaze, yeah! See, it works. That's how it began. This is the history you guys will not ever hear in the history books. Just saying. Just saying.
Well,
Just saying.
cheers to that. Cheers.
Kamikaze!
Going down.
So you can be a descendant of Lincoln and Lander.
Yes.
There you go. We got a descendant.
Yes.
This is awesome.
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia.
Winner. My dad was related to Lincoln. I'm just kidding.
See? This is okay, guys. Look. See, you guys think history's bullshit. I know this. Okay,
My mom was Lander. My dad was Lincoln. It's fine.
vagina-fied.
Oh,
Okay, have you guys heard
Oh,
about
the
this?
vagina
Okay,
fly.
look
Oh
at-
my.
You're taking that word, this has to be involved.
Oh.
No, you gotta make him tell the story
All right,
about the
we'll have, this is Elmer.
Elmer.
All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna tell about the vagina-fy story. You're an idiot. All right, here we go. What's gonna happen is, all girls are connected by the vagina, okay? It doesn't matter, it's like, every girl is connected by the vagina.
Well,
You
it's
guys
true,
get
though,
together,
because
your
when
periods all turn the
a
same.
group of girls
It's
are living
vagina-fy,
together,
okay?
isn't
That
It's
is
like
true.
Wi-Fi for the
Isn't it
vagina.
Hey, my great great grandmother was a
see?
prostitute. I could be related to anybody at this point.
Exactly.
Claim what you want. Claim,
Hey,
right?
the reason there's a reason our family motto is we welcome you with open legs.
We're going to get this going, and we're going to try to get a dance going, and I told you guys that we're going to try to do this, and we're going to get going, we're going to do this, and we're going to have some fun. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, we got some people at the bar. We're going to do the fork in the garbage disposal. Here we go, guys. Let me get, well, hello, there we go. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Ready? All right. Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Ding 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 ding. Yeah! Good job. She put it, there you go. Yeah. She's doing it. She's doing it. Ding 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 ding. You guys are great. There you go. All right, we just finished a game of pool. We are leaving the Outlaw Saloon. It's almost 12 o'clock at night, and we had a great time. And so the next video will see us. Basically, yeah, right on. We're gonna be at the Tank Museum. So we're off for tonight. Have a great night. Bye bye.